Before you digitally ink and paint your animation, you need to get your drawn frames into a digital format. In order to do that, the best way is to scan the drawn frames. So, before you scan them, you're going to need to prepare them for the scanner. Consider the line quality that's on the paper. If it's too light, the scanner might not pick it up, and then you're going to have to fix those lines in the computer or completely redraw them later. So I suggest go ahead and fix the lines now so that you won't have to do more work later. Take a look at this example. Here you see very nice lines. They're dark and they have very sketchy qualities. However, this may not translate well into the computer. So look at your frames, see if there's any overly smudgy marks or some superfluous lines that are too outside of the form that you want to capture, and erase them or redraw. You can even ink over the lines that you've drawn in pencil to define them even more. The more you define your lines now before you scan them, the easier it will be to ink and paint with them in the digital format.